A singer who performs from the heart, fueled by passion and recognized as a protege of legendary producer David Foster, recently captivated audiences during his Arizona concert, and his love for music goes beyond the stage. It is the heartbeat of his journey and the reason he continues to touch lives through every note. From humble beginnings to commanding the stage, he continues to inspire through his music and artistry. Let's listen and discover the journey of Mark Mabasa.
This is John Saavedra and you're watching The Unlimited.
He's not only the protege of David Foster, he was also part of the X Factor Philippines and called the Golden Boys. Next to me is Mr. Mark Mabasa.
Hello everyone.
Mark, kamusta?
Okay naman. Ang saya kasi mo naman pag mga performer, di ba? Ano yan, yung after ng show, pag masaya yung show, pag successful, sobrang sarap sa feeling.
Yes. You know, I've watched a lot of shows. The difference with your performance, because I've hosted the first one when you were here, right?
Yes.
This time, you really mingled with a lot of the audience. They had fun. How do you feel after yung ganitong concert? This episode is brought to you by Skinwell, because you're beautiful and you deserve it. Proxima Outsource Philippines Incorporation.
You know, that's always the goal. To connect with my audience.
Yeah.
So, pag ganun yung situation, pagka naka-connect ako sa kanila, ang sarap din sa pakiramdam na na-appreciate nila ako.
Yes.
And gusto ko yun. Nag-e-enjoy lahat at yung connections between us are very intimate.
I think that's why your last name is Mabasa.
Yeah.
Because Mark is marunong makibasa.
Oh,
Right?
makibasa.
Makibasa. Makibasa. I think what the audience wants to know, because we want to know a little bit more about you. Let's talk about just a little background. Tell us about Mark before X Factor.
Before X Factor, I was in a band.
Okay.
I formed the band kasi gusto ko talaga kumanta. So, yun yung mga yun yung mga ginagawa. Kumakanta talaga ako.
Yes.
And then, yun, karoon nga ng chance to join contest. So, I tried my luck.
Talaga, dati pa.
Alam mo, that's a good question. I have a video when I was 3 years old.
Yeah.
While everybody was playing, this is yung birthday party. Syempre, ang tendency pag 3 years old ka, lahat kayo maglalaro.
Maglalaro. Pero minsan sa Filipino tradition, pakakatayin sa mga harap ng family, ganyan.
Hindi naman. Hindi na nila ako pinakanta. The whole time sa video, hawak ko yung mic. I was singing the whole time. Tas wala akong nakikitang iba.
Basta you just wanted to sing.
I just wanted to sing.
Yeah. So that was your true passion ever since you were a kid.
I think so, yeah.
So paano nag-lead sa X Factor?
So, di ba, like I said, I was performing. There's this thing that they called research. So, may yung mga ABS people, yung mga ABS staff and crew, pupunta sila sa mga bars and stuff to find someone na pwedeng isalang. Pero mag-audition ka pa rin.
I see.
So, para umikli yung time nila, sila na yung nagre-research. Pinuntahan nila ako, then nung nakita nila na pwede, sabi niya, you can audition. Nag-audition na ako.
And then after X Factor, tell us your journey so far with your music career.
X Factor opens a lot of doors for me. After that, I met my former manager before. And then, yung former manager ko, talagang win-work out niya yung career ko. And I'm very thankful, which is si Charisse, kilala mo?
Charisse.
Which is Jake Cyrus na ngayon.
Yes.
Former manager niya yun.
Yeah.
Yung dating manager ni Charisse, yun yung manager ko din. We have the same management before, way back. Merong isang concert si David Foster sa Singapore. Nanood ako.
Yes.
Kasi gusto ko yung lineup ng mga artists. So, nung nanood ako, merong act si David. Ang ginagawa niya, magtatawag siya ng
random audience?
Yes.
Okay.
You're right. Tapos, from there, papakantahin ka niya. Tapos, syempre nung nagtawag na siya, nagtaas ako ng kamay.
Talaga nga.
Oh.
This is it. This is my dream.
Seize your
moment. When you
moment.
want something, you really have to, market yourself and then tell the world, hey, you need to look at me.
Seize your moment.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tapos?
Tapos Nung nagtaas ako kamay, syempre, ang liit ko, tapos ang ano ko, ang payat-payat ko, tapos sabi niya gano'n, "Are you sure you can sing?" Sabi niya.
Yeah.
Tapos, syempre, ano to ang crowd dito is foreigners.
International.
Yeah, I mean, Singaporeans, basically. This is 4,000 people we're talking about. Tapos, I was there, syempre tahimik lang ako, nung tinanong niya ako, "Are you sure you can sing? What do you wanna sing?" Sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, "I wanna sing your song." So, syempre yung mga tao nagsige,
Alam mo yung
natawa.
songs niya.
Syempre, pag singer ka, alam mo ang kanta ni David Foster. Lahat. So pinili ko yung kanta sa kasal niya, which is The Last Time. Sabi niya, "Okay, ganito, hindi kita papaakyatin sa stage." Sabi niya, "Pero pag okay yung first verse mo, the whole verse, you can come up on stage." Kailangan mabuo ko yung first verse.
Yes.
So ang ginawa ko, kumanta lang ako. So, umakyat na siya ng stage, bumalik siya ng stage, kumanta ako. First line pa lang, yung kinanta ko, "The first time I fell in love was long ago."
Ikaw yun.
Nagsigawan yung mga tao.
Oh my gosh.
Tapos huminto siya. Sabi niya, "Okay, come up." Lalong nagsigawan yung mga tao. So ako naman, takbo ko. As in, sobra akong kinakabahan. Tapos sabi niya ganun, natapos na yung verse and chorus. Sabi niya, "Sing another verse." Gumanon siya. Sabi ko, "Okay." And then, kinanta ko yung another verse. Natapos, sabi niya, "Go for the big note." What is the big note? Wala siyang big note. So sabi ko, "Okay." Nag-improvise ako ng big note. So, nag-improvise ako ng big note, nagsigawan yung mga tao. And after that, pinatawag niya ako backstage.
Yeah.
Na-meet ko si Babyface, na-meet ko sila Shaka Khan. And then, sinasabi nila sa akin na, alam mo, yung kahit in kindness na sinabi nila sa akin na, you're good. Parang, for me, kahit in kindness lang yun, parang sobrang big deal sa akin noon. Parang ang laking inspiration for me as a singer to push harder sa career ko. You know what I mean?
And it's not just a stage where only Filipinos could see. This is a big platform. This is the whole world. So when they released that video with David Foster, you made that big noise.
Yes. Nasa news, nasa ano.
news,
So
nasa
parang,
ano.
what's going on? So instant, parang sabi ko, ano nangyari? Sabi ko,
Sometimes, do you agree that sometimes it has to be the right time, the right timing, and then the right opportunity for you to shine? Because when you have the talent, you can never be hidden. You can never be hidden. And look at you now, you just finished a concert with Lani Salucha. Di ba yung gusto mo makasama sa mga concert?
isa sa mga pangarap ko, Regine Velasquez.
Talaga?
Yes. Sino ba? Of course, Tito Martin. Though, nakasama ko na siya, but not concert. Sino pa ba? International. Charlie Puth.
Really?
Dream big. Let's dream big. Okay.
Yeah.
Charlie Puth. Yeah, and Mariah Carey. Yeah.
Do you whistle?
No. She can do it.
Well,
You cannot whistle in front of Mariah. Just saying.
I can say, but watching today, the future is bright for you. How do you want to see yourself in 5 years?
Already making the mark
Because you're Mark.
because I'm Mark.
And marunong makibasa.
And
So,
I want to have that staying power as an artist na yung who can stay until you're really, really old and you're still there.
Yeah.
And then they will appreciate you still that, that's Mark Mabasa, you know.
I could feel yung passion mo eh. When you sing, I could feel your passion.
Thank you.
I think when you talk about longevity, when someone is so passionate to do something, as a singer in your case, di ba, talagang mag-stay ka dyan sa field na yan. Because you're not trying to perform to impress. You're performing because it's what's in your heart.
Oh, thank you.
Do you agree? That's how I see it.
100%.
Based on today's performance, grabe. This time is your concert in Arizona. Na talagang
Yeah.
ikaw ang focus.
Yeah, alongside with the
And of
Angels
course,
Nightingale.
Miss Lani Rizal.
Yeah.
Diba? Ganda ng combination. Mark, ang daming aspiring singers na nandyan ngayon, mga bago. And you're already reaching a lot of your goals and your stars. But what do you want to tell our aspiring singers?
Keep singing. Don't stop dreaming and do something about your dream. I mean, and like yung sinasabi sa movie, seize your moment.
Yes.
When that moment comes, seize it. And be consistent. And pour your heart in every song that you do.
And that 3-year-old Mark na ayaw bitawan ng microphone, anong gusto mo sabihin sa kanya? Ngayon.
Just chill. You'll make it. One day.
There you go. And what's your legacy, Mark? How are we gonna remember Mark? When our honorable consul, Jenny Biancojo, gave you that certificate and went up to really be the one to give it to you, we noticed you were emotional. Na talagang nakita namin that everyone was talagang naiyak sa'yo while you're singing. You're singing from the heart. You felt that you're being recognized. Bakit ganun?
As an artist, kasi to be appreciated and to be appreciated kasi iba sa amin yun.
Yeah.
Yun nga yung lagi namin sinasabi na pag na-appreciate ka ng mga tao, iba yun. Kasi yung ginagawa mo, with every thing that you do, you pour your heart and your energy, your hard work, andun lahat yun.
Yes.
So when people appreciate that, it hits different. So maybe that's why to be recognized, it touches my heart.
Yeah. And you touch our heart. Continue to touch our heart. Continue to sing from the heart. I think that's what I'm going to remember you.
Thank you.
I don't know if I'm going to see you in the future, but when people ask me, have you met Mark Mabasa? A singer who sings from the heart. Okay, thank you so much. You want to invite everyone for any future projects or any future shows? Want to invite everyone?
Oh yeah, don't forget to follow my socials. Like, just type in my name, Mark Mabasa. That'll be Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, everything. Just type in my name. I'll update you, I promise.
There you go. Thank you guys for watching again.
Thank you.
Mark Mabasa, the Golden Voice.
Hey there, this is Mark Mabasa. Don't forget to subscribe to Unlimited Zone on his YouTube channel. See you guys. God bless. I love you.
In today's fast-paced business landscape, staying ahead of the competition requires innovative solutions. That's where Proxima Outsource Philippines comes in. Are you tired of juggling multiple tasks, sacrificing precious time and resources? Outsourcing can be the key to unlocking your business's full potential. Our team of experts provides top-notch outsourcing services tailored to your business needs. From customer service to data entry, we got you covered. By partnering with Proxima Outsource Philippines, you can enjoy significant cost savings, increased efficiency, and improved customer satisfaction. Our team is dedicated to delivering exceptional results, so you can focus on growing your business. Ready to unlock your business's full potential? Contact Proxima Outsource Philippines today to learn more about our expert outsourcing solutions. Proxima Outsource Philippines, empowering your business success.